this video, we are going to learn how to install n8n in your Linux operating system. There are basically two ways to get started with n8n. One is using npm. If you just want to try it out without installing it, for that you have these two commands, npx n8n and n8n start. With just these two commands you can get started and test. But in this video we are going to use another method, that is using Docker. Using Docker, you can see in the installation guide, you can run these commands, either run it directly or you can also use Docker Compose. And in this video we are going to use Docker Compose. So the first step is to create a directory. I'll create this directory and I'll visit this directory. And now you can either use vi or you can use nano or any other text editor. Docker compose .yaml, and in this file you can just copy paste insert mode in vi editor and Control Shift V. So here we are just listing out the services that we want to install, and name of the service is n8n. You can give it any name, and this is important. This is the n8n image, Docker image that we are pulling, and this is just the name of the container that will show up in the Docker PS. And this is another command, restart unless stopped. This basically tells Docker and container to restart if the system crashes or system reboots. And here is the port mapping. We are mapping the port of the host to the port of the container, that is 5678. This is the port that n8n runs in. And we are creating a volume so that our data is persistent, and these are environment variables. Here in the time zone I am keeping Asia Kathmandu. This is my location. Put your accordingly. And n8n encryption key, since I am just testing n8n in my local, I can just put a random key like my secret 123. If you are doing it in production, make sure to generate a key instead of just putting a simple string. And this is the volume we are telling to keep persistent. And I'll save this file. And next command is docker compose up. Docker compose up -d. This command is basically pulling all the images and going to start n8n. This is going to take a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'll show you some of the useful commands. Now let's check if our n8n is running or not by doing docker ps. So our container is active and I can view in my browser localhost 5678. Now I'll log in. Just select some of these options. So if you click this button, it will send you a free license key to your email, which you can use and use the n8n free for forever. And now you are done. You can get started with n8n.